Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2 of Tiered Pricing Table for WooCommerce. Configuring the plugin settings. In this video, we will configure the global settings for the Tiered Pricing Table plugin. We will set up tax options and understand their impact on store performance. Now, let's begin by accessing the global settings in your WordPress dashboard. Go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Once the settings are open, click on the Tiered Pricing tab. Here, you will see all the global options for configuring tiered pricing for your store. Show tiered pricing on product page. Enable this option to display the pricing table directly on your product page. Default layout. Here, you can choose the table layout, such as block or drop-down style. Pick the one that benefits your design. Pricing title. Here you can add a title to the tiered pricing table. Position on product page. This setting controls where the pricing table will appear. For example, you can choose to display it above the buy button. Quantity displaying type. This lets you show the quantity ranges as dynamic ranges or static values. Active pricing tier color. Here you can set a color for the active pricing tier to highlight it visually. Column titles. You can customize the titles for your pricing table columns to make them more user-friendly. Clickable tiered pricing. Turn this option on to make rows clickable for easy selection. Next, we have Price on the product page settings. This controls how pricing information is displayed. Price behavior. You can choose between a static price or a dynamic price that updates based on quantity. Show actual price. Enable this to display the updated price when customers meet a specific pricing tier. Show tiered price as a discount. This option lets you show the original price crossed out with the discounted price. Show total price. Enable this to display the total cost of the selected quantity. The price format section controls how tiered prices appear across the site. Format price. Turn this on to display price ranges like buy 5 to 10 items for a specific amount. Format price for variable products. This applies the pricing range to products with variations. Display price as. Choose whether to show the range from lowest to highest or just the lowest price. The tiered pricing and cart section manages how discounts appear in the cart. Show cart item price as a discount. Enable this to show the discounted prices next to the original prices. Show original cart item subtotal as a discount. This will display the original subtotal crossed out. With the discounted total price beside it, the You Save on the product page section highlights customer savings. Enable the Show You Save price option to display the differences between the regular and discounted prices. In the Non-Logged In Users section, you can control how pricing is displayed for guests. Prevent purchases for non-logged in users. Enable this to block non-logged in users from making purchases. Hide prices for non-logged in users. This hides all pricing details for visitors who are not logged in. The cart upsells section is great for encouraging customers to purchase more. Turn this option on to show possible discounts based on quantity in the cart menu. Finally, the totals on the product page section displays pricing summaries. Enable this to show total price details directly on the product pages. In Layout, choose between a default or inline layout for customer information. Now, select where to display the totals, such as below the Buy button. Once you've made all changes, click on Save Changes to apply all the configurations. And that's it for setting up the tiered pricing plugin. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.